In this video, I am going to explain you sex linked inheritance. Sex linked inheritance. Morgan, he conducted 3 types of crosses. In the first cross, a red-eyed female Drosophila. Red-eyed female Drosophila. See, in the case of Drosophila, red color is dominant over white color. A red-eyed female Drosophila is crossed with white-eyed male Drosophila. On account of this cross in the F1, you will get W plus and W. This is a red-eyed female Drosophila. And one more, this is white-eyed male Drosophila, red-eyed male Drosophila, W plus W, W plus Y chromosome. This is red-eyed male Drosophila. These are the things we get in the F1 generation. When you go for the F2, in the F2, say for example, I am giving for your convenience numbering. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. And in the F2, you get W plus W plus 1 3, W plus, then W and W plus W. So what is this first one? This is female. This is female and it is red-eyed. The second one is, it is red-eyed male Drosophila. The third one, it is red-eyed female Drosophila. The last one is, this is white-eyed and it is male Drosophila. You can conclude here, out of the 4 progeny obtained, 3 are red-eyed female, red-eyed male, red-eyed female and white-eyed male. According to Mendel, this is F2 generation. In this F2 generation, you got 3 dominant and 1 recessive. 3 dominant and 1 recessive progeny is obtained. It is according to the Mendel's concepts valid. Now, one more cross, second cross. In the second cross, he made a cross between red-eyed hybrid female W plus W red-eyed hybrid female, and it is crossed with recessive parent. What is the recessive parent? White-eyed male. This is red-eyed hybrid female. When it is crossed with white-eyed male, this is white-eyed male. When it is crossed with white-eyed male, let us see the progeny. W plus W. W plus Y chromosome. W W W and this. If we analyze this progeny, this is female red-eyed. This is male red-eyed. This is white-eyed female, and this is white-eyed male. Red female, white female. Red male, white male. It is like a test cross. In the test cross, we get a 1:1:1:1 ratio. Like that it happened. This is the second cross Morgan he conducted. Now let us see the third cross. The third cross is a reciprocal cross to the first cross. A reciprocal cross to the first cross. In this cross, we are crossing with white-eyed female. White-eyed female. When it is crossed with red-eyed male. This is a red-eyed male, and this is a white-eyed female. It is exactly reverse to the first cross, and you get the progeny W plus W Y chromosome, W plus W Y chromosome. This is red-eyed female. This is white-eyed male. This is red-eyed female. This is white-eyed male. Here you can conclude all females are red. All males are white. This is the third cross. You can conclude all females are red in color, all males are white in color. Morgan, he concluded some conclusions, some aspects, some concepts by mixing up all these three crosses. According to him, the red color is dominant over white. As far as eye color is concerned, red is dominant over white. That's the first point. And this gene is present on X chromosome. On X chromosome, this gene is present. As far as inheritance of this gene is concerned, the inheritance, it is following the crisscross inheritance. Crisscross inheritance. What is this crisscross inheritance? In this crisscross inheritance, grandfather to grandson via daughter. The inheritance pattern, it is not from father to son, it is not from mother to daughter. This particular gene is inherited from grandfather to grandson via daughter. Like that. When you see from grandmother to granddaughter via the son. So in the case of the Drosophila, as far as the I color is concerned, that gene is present on X chromosome and it is following crisscross inheritance. Never the gene is acquired father to son or from mother to daughter. It's always from grandfather to grandson via daughter, and at the same time grandmother to granddaughter via son. So this is the inheritance pattern, sex linked inheritance. The eye color gene is present on X chromosome and it is following a crisscross inheritance.